Welcome to the English Reading Ascent channel. This video includes Level A1. Central Park. Central Park is a big and beautiful park in New York City. It is in the center of the city. Many people visit the park every day. It is open in the morning, afternoon, and evening. It is free for everyone. People do many things in Central Park. Some people walk slowly. Some people run. Other people ride bicycles. Many people sit on the grass or on benches. Some people read books. Others listen to music or talk with friends. Children play with balls or fly kites. Some families have picnics. They eat, drink, and laugh. There are many trees in the park. The trees are tall and green. In spring and summer the flowers are red, yellow, pink, and blue. There are small animals in the park too. People can see birds, ducks, and squirrels. There are also small lakes. People can ride small boats on the lakes or just look at the water. In autumn, the trees change color. The leaves turn orange, red, and brown. It is a good time to take photos. In winter, the weather is cold. Sometimes, there is snow. People wear coats, hats, and gloves. Some people play in the snow. Some children make snowmen. There is also a place to skate on ice. Central Park is a quiet place in a busy city. There are many tall buildings around it, but the park is peaceful. It is a good place to relax. People go to the park to feel calm and happy. Some people go alone, and some go with family or friends. There are also events in the park. Sometimes there is music. Sometimes people sing or dance. There are shows and small festivals. All people can enjoy them. Central Park is big, green, and full of life. It is a special place for people in New York. Tourists also love it. When you visit New York City, you should go to Central Park. You can walk, rest, and enjoy nature in the middle of the city. Thank you for watch. Please subscribe our channel.